Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is going to be about trying to rotate an item at a larger degree than one decimal place, or not maybe a larger, but a fraction of that number. I've always known that, like, we took my circle and I rotated it, or I didn't rotate it. I extended my decimal places where this circle is uh, 1.0093. That's because I've gone to Tools, Customization, and under Workspace, go to Edit, and I've changed it to 4 decimal places. Let's change it to 6. Watch what happens to my number up here. It goes to 6 decimal places to the right of the dot. So it gives you more of a fraction of an inch. Now, with that said, we're going to rotate this. And I couldn't figure it out last night, because if you put in a number up here in your rotation, it just rounds it off. And it was really bugging me. And I contacted my mentor, Roy Brewer, from Engraving Concepts this morning, and he replied right back. So what we're going to do, I'm going to use the transformation docker, which is under your effects or under range, transformation, rotation. Because this way you make 7 copies. And I'm making 7 copies because when you're doing something so minute, when it goes around the corner, it's going to get exponentially a bigger gap so you can see it. So I'm going to make sure I've only got one item there. I'm going to control, well, I don't even have to do that. I'm going to make sure my rotation is in the center of the page, and I'm going to rotate this thing 11.25. Okay? It looks like it rounded it off to 11.3. But let's just test that. And this is what Roy Brewer suggested. Control D. Now, instead of 11.25, we're going to go 11.28. And you can see, even though it says 11.3, it's actually off. So it's changing it, those fractions, but it just rounds off. But it actually is rotating it the fractions you need. Let's do this one more test. Control D. And this time, we'll rotate 11.3, which it said is done every time. Now let's look at them. We got 3 circles down there, and they're all a little bit off. And that's why I said, see, the first circle you can't tell much different, but when it does it 7 times, the value gets greater and greater going around the corner. So you can insert smaller fractions into that box, and it will work. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.